All right, so today we are looking at this Morley drone. This is the Idea 12. This was sent to me in exchange for an honest review. This is one of the coolest drones. I've flown a lot of drones. Now, I've done reviews on probably at least a dozen drones, most of them toy drones like this one, a few high-end drones. And here's what I can say about this. Hands down, for the lower price range, this is the coolest drone I've flown. And there's a number of reasons for it. First, it's a nice size. It is a little flimsy as far as the plastic, but it has the propellers, and then it also comes with some guards, which is really cool. In fact, let's jump in right now and show you all the things it comes with. All right, check out everything that's included here. We've got the drone instructional manual, a really nice case for it, 2 batteries, controller, 4 extra props, a couple extra screws, the charging cable, USB-C with a screwdriver, and 4 guards. That's a lot of stuff. You need 3 AA batteries for the remote control, not included. Okay, now another thing that I really like is here with the remote control, you can flip this up and put your phone in it, but I actually like with toy drones to simply use the control. So it's just a drone, and that means you're not going to be taking pictures or video when you use just the remote control. Now, if you want to put your phone in and do pictures and video, that's great. The quality's not amazing, but it's passable quality. You know, if you just want to show a few little things, it works. But what I love about this remote control is you see these little buttons here on the side? These are precision buttons, and so you can adjust your turning by 5 degrees at a time, which is really cool if you have 0 wind. So for indoors, that works great. For outdoors, we live in a windy city, it's not as useful. But then it allows you to do all the different tricks and spins and things that you would do with a normal drone. It's got a return to where you took off. So it's got the 1 key lift and land off, which is really nice. It has an altitude hold, which is unusual for a drone in this price range. Headless mode, it does your 360-degree flips. It has an electric adjustable lens and 3 different speeds. So I love when drones do this. They have your QR code that you can take to get your app installed, and then they walk you through it. So really easy setup. All in all, there's a lot to be really excited about with this drone. It handles really well. It's something that a child could learn to play with, but it has enough features that it would be interesting for teenagers onto adults. So as far as entry-level drones, this is a pretty cool one. It's been a lot of fun to play with so far. Check it out.
And that's how you crack.